commanding. Just a little slight change of plans for the timing then. Rolls Royce 1 will leave Palace of Holyrood at past with the Duke of Hamilton, ready to collect the crown. Yeah, so that means he's going to be slightly earlier here. The knock-on effect for that then is we will step out from the coal yard, which is to your right behind you, with the cage area. That's where you'll be formed up, ready to come in, ready for us. Once you come out then, I'll conduct the dressing when you're in open order from F Company Officer Commanding. And then I'll take my position up at the drawbridge. All your concerns is, you will see Rolls Royce 1 coming up and the First Minister of Scotland also. Yeah. You just work to the words of command by Officer Commanding F Company, and that's all I'll ask you to do. Switch on then.
4 minutes first. Yes. Garrison, is my line here?
Yes.
Go now.
If the car comes in, because you're about to come, just ignore it.
Yeah.
Okay then, stand perfectly still then, work to the words of command.
Number 1 and 2 half companies. Number 1 and 2 half companies, show. Number 1 and 2 half companies will fix bayonets. Fix bayonets. Show. Number 1 and 2 half companies, stand at ease. Number 1 and 2 half companies, show. Number 1 and 2 half companies, in open order, inward dress.
Division. So on from back, centre right and rear right. I will then get drilling at the rear. On myself then. Escort to the crown! Eyes! Take!
Number 1 and 2 half companies, stand at ease. Number 1 and 2 half companies, stand easy.